Silver Curlies and future Silver Curlies. My name is Zelda and you are watching Silver Curls Zelda. Today I am using a product from Woosh Beauty, and I'll put it up closer here in just a moment. It's called the Fold Out Face Complete Daily Makeup Routine. Everything you need in one place, and the color is medium tan. So if you would like to see this all-in-one kit and how I got this look, there's my heat. Keep watching. Well, have you heard of Woosh Beauty? This is a fold-out face kit, and it says the fold-out face complete daily makeup routine. Everything you need in one place. So I have not used this. Only thing I did was take the shrink wrap off of this, and this is what it's supposed to look like inside. Okay. Probably going to put on my glasses so that I can read what's here. Okay. Now, there is a two-piece brush, actually a three-piece brush. You have, this says number 4 and 5. So you use this for, I'll put the picture up over here. That's what I will do. This is number 3 brush. And this, let me see, hold on. Okay, I can see. I can see clearly now. Okay, this is number 2 brush. And this is number 1 brush. So number 1 brush is for eyeshadows, eyeliner, and brow definer. Number 2 on the other side, which is a little bit thicker of a brush, is the concealer and foundation. And then it fits inside of number 3 and number 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. Okay. I might need to switch this around. Let's see, hold on. Yes. Okay, here we go. So number 4 and 5 brush is right here. It's soft. Okay. So it says they fit together. Includes 4 in 1 brush, secret brush set. Okay, contouring, complexion, eyes, and blending. So let's take it out of the package and take a look to see what we get. Oh, reflective. Sorry about that. Okay, it opens up. Ah. Okay. Pretty neat. Okay, so it has some instructions here. And a nice mirror. I'm going to use my mirror though that's right here because it's easier for me to work with. Okay, so I'm going to actually just do what this says. I have the top right, oh actually it says base. I mean the top left says base. Then it says shine, define, and line. Let me see, hold on. There we go. You can see those on the top. Okay. So I have not seen anyone use any brushes or anything without any eye primer on. So I'm going to use my Milani eye primer. Go ahead and put that on my eyes. and see how this works. Okay, I'm not going to talk. I'm just going to go ahead and put this on.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
I did it. Okay, the only thing I'm going to add is my little vitamin E. Actually, hold on. I thought I had a lipstick. I did. Sangria time. I know I've used this lipstick, but I used it with a primer last time, so this time I'm not going to do that. Yes. Yes. Looks good. Looks good. I like it. Oh, I don't have a mist to spray right now, but it's okay because I'm not going to leave it on for too long because it's nighttime. So this is the look. And my hair turned out great. I'm going to shift over. Canned pears. I'm very pleased with this little kit because I'm going to use this when I go to travel next month, and it's not bad. I think it's great. Has everything in one little place, and I like the look. So thank you for hanging out watching me do this, and let me know if you've ever heard of this kit. Have you ever tried it, or do you have any other all-in-one type kits that you would recommend? So this one, like I said, is called Woosh Beauty, and it's the fold out face kit, basically. All right, well, thank you, and for my silver curlies and future silver curlies, let those silvers shine. Bye.